Hello.
What's up? Okay, wait, whoa. Before we get ahead of
We're in
ourselves.
Devin's kitchen?
Yes.
Hi!
Long-time viewers
Yeah.
of the channel might recognize
The OG kitchen.
the original Two Market Girls kitchen.
Yeah, we're back in it for a little bit.
Yes. So this is where I live now, so
Yeah.
we're using my kitchen, aka the old TMG kitchen.
Okay, so
What are we doing?
that gets that out of the way.
Yes.
We're testing another sandwich. We did the
What's up?
Caesaroni.
Wow, we're on a
Yeah.
sandwich kick.
We did the Caesaroni, and now there's another viral sandwich.
Uh-huh.
The Caesaroni was more local.
Very-
It's more Toronto-based. This is a TikTok
Worldwide.
viral sandwich. Devin brought it to my attention.
Did I?
Yeah, I think I've seen it before,
Wow.
but I didn't really think about it until you mentioned it.
Okay, cool.
And it's the chopped sandwich.
I don't know if you've seen these where they slap down that meat.
Devin likes the slapping.
The
aspect of it.
ASMR of some of them is just
No,
like,
honestly, I do think ASMR is really having a moment on TikTok right now.
Mm-hmm.
So I can understand why it grabbed your attention.
Simply take all the ingredients you want in your sandwich, throw it on a chopping board and chop away. Season with salt, pepper, add some red wine vinegar and mayo, and if you're feeling fancy, add a bit of chutney too. Mix that all together, then take your bread, scoop up all this goodness and enjoy. And that is how you make the best sandwich, making sure you get the best bite every bite.
Yeah, it's basically where you take all the ingredients you would put in your sandwich, so like cheese, meats, veggies, whatever sauces you're putting on it, and you like put it on a cutting board and you chop it all together, and you basically like make some kind of a salad to put in your sandwich.
the idea is that you have like the perfect bite in every
Yeah.
bite. So if you chop everything up, it just becomes one.
Which I really do want to test. Maybe, okay,
Okay.
hear me out.
No.
Do we make two sandwiches, one the normal way and one the chopped, so we can actually compare if it's better? Because in my head, and tell me if you
Okay.
agree, in my head, I don't see this being better. I like the idea, but I think you get, if you stack a sandwich right, you get everything in this one bite,
Ideally, yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So,
Maybe we should make. Yeah.
this is going to be a true test.
All right.
We're gonna do two different sandwiches. The exact same ingredients.
Yes.
One, we're gonna build the normal sandwich way where it's just layering,
Yeah.
sauce on the buns, that kind of stuff. And the other one, we're just gonna chop up a bunch of stuff.
Chop the heck out of it.
Yeah, because I want to compare them side by side
I think that's smart.
and see which I like better.
That's the kind of science we do here.
Yeah. What the difference is with this is that it's not a different type of sandwich.
Not really,
it's,
right?
It's a normal sandwich just chopped up.
Yeah, like a
So,
sub sandwich.
yeah, so in
cold
order
cut.
to want to do this, it has to be better than a normal sandwich. Because it's
Because
not
it
a
is-
new variety of
and
sandwich.
it's more effort.
And it's a lot more effort. And
Because
messier.
The idea of a sandwich is that you just put
Yeah.
it on the
And like
bun.
this is the way, I could make a sandwich theoretically on a plate, the normal way.
Yeah.
You can't do that. You gotta cut things up, you gotta wash dishes. So this has to be way better for me to want to do this.
Yes.
It's interesting. Some look really moist and like really chopped.
Yeah.
And those ones are less appealing to me.
Is it the amount of mayo too?
Maybe we just watch how much sauces
Less,
we're adding
yeah.
to it. So we bought some ingredients yesterday. Are we just gonna
What are
jump
we
right
putting
into
in our
it?
sandwich?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's see what we have. Is this our
And
sandwich?
chop.
This is this is the thing. It has to be a good sandwich because like I already just want to layer this. I don't want to chop shit.
Chop it.
We gotta chop it all up. Do you want to chop since you like the slapping so much, and I can make the regular
I
sandwich?
only want to slap. I don't. wanna
I'll make the vinaigrette, and I can make the regular sandwich.
I feel like this chopping is so much more aggressive. I don't know how to do that.
Well, it's like one hand, but
I'm
also
not
like it
doing
seems
that.
dangerous. All right, here's your cucumbers.
Oh my goodness, thank you.
Oh, you're gonna go in
I don't
stages,
know.
eh?
I just like saw it sitting there. I was like, you're going down. It just looks like a salad right now.
You want more than this?
I think that's probably. Do you think that's okay?
Probably.
God, bologna sometimes it's just like.
Oh wait, now salt and pepper this tomato.
Oh my God! Come on.
Maybe a little pepper,
All
but
right.
that's okay. It is interesting because this sandwich, you still have to chop stuff up. And then you have to chop it up more.
Yeah, because no one's throwing an entire tomato.
Yeah, but like,
We should have done that.
just test it out. See if it worked. But like, that's what I mean though.
Oh, yeah.
Like, I'm still chopping, doing the same amount of work. I'm just doing extra work now.
Okay, well, yeah, but do you
Really?
love the smell of bologna?
I haven't had bologna since going vegan.
Okay, we'll smell it.
And I haven't had the vegan bologna. It doesn't smell like hot dogs? Yeah, it smells like hot dogs. Isn't bologna and hot dogs like the same thing?
Yeah, I think it's a giant hot dog. Okay, but the thing is that these sandwiches and recipes and stuff never say they're easier, but
No.
better maybe.
No, yeah.
But not easier.
I think no.
so
They're not claiming it's easier.
they
That's
just-
for sure. That's a me thing. But I just
It's
mean
better.
that's what I'm just like continuing to be like this is like it has to be so much better than this for me to want to do this.
Okay, do you think I should slap on meat and cheese now with the tomato whole?
What other did we want any other veggies on this? Oh, pickles.
Yeah, when do I slap those on?
Let's put them on now.
Okay.
And then you can slap the meat on.
Okay.
How many pickles?
3.
There you go. Pickles.
I'm gonna do a little chop chop. Sometimes it's fun to just like chop with no technique.
Oh my god, totally. I get that.
It's just chaos. I'm getting pretty excited for a sandwich though, either way.
Me too. Oh, you need to add cheese too.
Yes.
Cheese is last though,
I
right?
need
They
you to
chopped
be
everything
quiet.
up
I'm
first.
gonna see
Oh,
how
so
loud
sorry.
I can slap.
Do you want me to come closer with the camera?
Yeah, let's see.
Practicing your slaps.
I'm slapping it. Okay, ready?
Right on set.
How do you get it to go straight down? Then it just slides right off.
Maybe this is a vegan bologna problem.
Alright, well I already don't like it.
It's less fun than you thought it would be.
Yeah, I wanted that satisfying slap.
Maybe the pepperoni. Is it a vegan bologna thing?
Just doesn't have the same bounce to it.
Maybe.
This isn't gonna be better. Oh, it's heavier. Is it just sad?
Is this a way to get your anger out?
Yes.
Or do you feel angrier?
Both! I feel both! Ow. Okay, maybe the
Doesn't
cheese
have
will
that
go
good
better.
for you.
Not good. I was promised a slap. Okay, let's see if this is better. Better! Thank you! There we go. I feel like some people were putting on a whole package of meat.
No, that's
But-
what I mean. So many people were like putting so much shit on
In
this
this
sandwich.
economy!
Alright, let me make my regular sandwich.
Wow, it really adds up to a lot of stuff.
Yeah, could be a lot in this sandwich.
Anybody else want a sandwich?
Okay, so mayo on a sandwich first, right? And that's how you build a regular sandwich. I feel like this isn't gonna fit a lot of shit on it. Should I have just done the whole sandwich?
Oh dear.
But oh well, we'll figure it out.
We're doing it.
Yeah. Maybe this is one of the benefits of this is you can add way more toppings because they all get chopped up,
Oh!
right?
Yeah.
Like there's only so much room to stack.
To stack. Interesting. But I think I'm gonna put the mayo. I think I'm gonna do.
Yeah, you gotta
catching
add
up to
in
you.
your sauce stuff. I mean, I did help you.
Yeah, so true. I couldn't have done this alone.
Alright, there's a pickle. It's a tall sandwich. I am worried about the dressing.
It's just gonna. It's
It's
gonna be messy.
slide off.
It is messy.
Wow, bologna is like vegan bologna is just bologna.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I just have the dressing left. It's just gonna slide everywhere.
Pretty much.
I feel like maybe I should have done it at the lettuce stage.
So
Almost
that
like
it would
dress the lettuce in it, and then it absorbs into the bread a bit. Should I?
That would
move
be a
some of
real
these?
pro move.
I can do that.
Alright, I think that's enough mayo. What am I doing?
Look at it. I could do that.
I can do that. Look.
See?
Nothing happened. Okay, should I mix? I'm mixing the mayo and then I add the other dressing, or do I add the other dressing?
Do you
now?
chop the mayo in, or do you? I've seen somebody. We saw somebody do this way, or do we just chop it in? I think you could do both. By the way, add the dressing in the mayo.
You don't like my technique? I
No, I love your
Fold it.
technique. You just fold in the cheese.
Fold it, David.
This way is a better way to add dressing, like that
I don't
kind
even
of
know
dressing.
how much to add.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know.
Alright.
I would describe this sandwich as wet.
I also don't know how much to add because I don't add
doing?
dressing to my sandwich very often. Okay, well, my sandwich is ready.
Mine is a dip. Do you have some chips?
Actually, imagine
Sandwich dip.
like a baguette, like a crostini.
Yeah.
Oh, I can get on board with this. That's what that is.
This technique of getting it into the bun is something.
It's gonna go so poorly, I feel like.
Why would you say that?
I don't know, it just feels right for us.
It's going to be a learning experience for everyone. This is so much stuff.
Yeah, it's more than one sandwich, that's 2 sandwiches.
Okay, let me just like...
Do what they did, you know?
What?
Where they
What?
split it into 2 sandwiches.
Oh, I missed that part.
Didn't you see them dividing it into different pots? Like, I even think that's too much first.
Oh my...
I think that's because they're pretty stuffed sandwiches, right?
Yeah. Just feel like that was a better part than that one.
You want to make it as long as the bread?
Is that okay?
Whatever
You
feels
want
right
more?
for you.
I don't know. None of this feels natural. I can't tell.
But this isn't how people
I
make
feel like
sandwiches.
I'm just making this little log.
I think that's perfect.
Okay, that's nice.
So messy. This is not what I want to do making a sandwich.
Okay.
You're doing it.
This is an important part of the
Let
technique
me get you a plate.
that I didn't realize until
Or should we need to get parchment, right?
Yeah.
Where's the parchment?
in there.
Here?
Yeah, the top shelf. I want put eyeballs on the front of the sandwich and just like, I'm gonna get you. No!
Alright, go for it. Do you want to watch a video again? Just to brush up on how they did it?
Fine.
You don't have to.
No, I will.
Do what you need to do.
I just want to go like this.
I was like, is that gonna work?
Almost.
Okay, okay. Not too bad.
Are you sure?
Popper on here.
How does it not all fall out? I'm so confused. What is this?
Okay, you can probably put this in there.
Oh, it's interesting. You see that? Wow.
So we try the chopped sandwich first.
I think so.
Theirs are a lot more stuffed than we did.
Yeah.
ours. But, you know,
Honestly, it was chaotic.
it's already coming out.
Yeah, how do
I know this is the other sandwich, but it's hard to eat. Okay.
How do I do this?
Ready?
No.
We do the sandwich.
I mean, it goes.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go with the sandwich.
It's messy though.
Mm-hmm.
But it's a good sandwich. Mm-hmm.
This is a good sandwich.
Actually, it's a great sandwich.
Wow.
Yeah. That combo of things worked really well. Oh, delicious sandwich. Okay.
Do you think that mayo helps it stay together more? And
Maybe.
that's why people do that?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay. To
Really?
the regular sandwich.
Oh my god.
All the same ingredients, just stacked in the normal way.
Oh, juicy.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I can't.
It's actually kind of wild how different they taste, even though it's the same ingredients. But I think it is also because there's probably more of certain things in the chopped one. Like the mayo one is just spread on the bun, right? There's not a ton of mayo in here. Interesting.
Mmm.
I do like the chopped sandwich.
Me too. Oh crap.
But maybe it's again just tweaking the regular. Wow, I didn't expect this. I really thought it would just taste the same.
Me too.
But I think there is something to say about like this. You can very clearly know when you're chopping into the tomato and like each layer. This is just like a medley of flavors.
It's a medley of flavors. That's beautiful.
This probably wouldn't be like I'm working and I need to make a sandwich for lunch sandwich, but a weekend lunch. I could see doing something like this
Yeah.
because I do think this tastes better than this,
Yeah.
but this doesn't taste bad to the point where I would switch it. I don't be willing to clean every during the weekdays. This mess. I'm shocked.
Yeah.
I was really not expecting this to be better.
No.
Huh.
At least not by that much.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it feels significant.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, this is why we have to do these things, you know?
It's worth it, guys.
Alright, well, I guess we are believers now.
Alright, make the chop sandwich.
Try it.
It works.
Yeah.
I really didn't want it to work.
The lazy people in us really didn't want this to work. The mature people in us can admit
recognize,
that, yeah, it is
We were
good.
wrong.
Yeah. Sometimes you can't be lazy if you want something really good.
Considering, like, there's really nothing special in this filling, that is really good.
In the comments, tell us if you've tried this,
Mm-hmm.
if you were skeptical,
Mm-hmm.
what you would put in your
If you
chopped
hate the
sandwich.
mess that it made.
Well, that's fair.
Yeah. Yeah. What
What
things would you add?
What would you chop?
And is this a good party idea? Build your own sandwich.
Yeah.
I think it's a great party idea.
And we'll be back to debunk more TikTok trends before you know it.
Debunk or prove? Is that the same thing? Debunking is when it's false, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.